this video, we will discuss molecular mass. We must know what is the definition of molecular mass. Sum of atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule of a substance is called molecular mass. It means molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms which are present in one molecule of that substance. Students, we will understand molecular mass with the help of some examples. For example, the molecular mass of water is 18 gram per mole. The molecular mass of water is if you want to calculate the molecular mass of water, we must know what is the formula of water. H2O. This is the molecular formula of water. In this molecular formula, there are 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Now we want to calculate the molecular mass of water. We have 2 atoms of hydrogen, right? Multiply by, we know what is the atomic mass of hydrogen. It is 1.008 atomic mass unit. Simply we write as 1. 1.008 simply we write as 1. Plus atomic mass of oxygen. We know very well atomic mass of oxygen is 16 atomic mass unit. Now we simplify it. 2 1 the 2 plus 16. It becomes equal to 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. 18 atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. This is the molecular mass of water. Similarly, if you want to calculate the molecular mass of carbon dioxide, then the molecular mass of carbon dioxide would be, we know what is the molecular formula of carbon dioxide, CO2. This is the molecular formula for carbon dioxide. Now we want to calculate the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Then atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus atomic mass of oxygen is 16. How many atoms of oxygen are there? Since we have 2 atoms of oxygen, multiply by 16. Now we simplify it. 12 plus 16 multiplied by 2 is equal to 32. 12 plus 32 is equal to 44 atomic mass unit. So the molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44 atomic mass unit. 44 atomic mass unit. This is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. I hope this is clear. Now we will take one more example. If you are asked to find the molecular mass of glucose, we must know what is the molecular formula for glucose. The molecular formula for glucose is C6H12O6. Now we will calculate the molecular mass of glucose. How many carbon atoms are there? We have 6 carbon atoms and the atomic mass of carbon is 12 atomic mass unit. Plus how many atoms of hydrogen are there? We have 12 hydrogen atoms and the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 atomic mass unit. Usually 1.008 is not written. We will take 1 atomic mass unit as the atomic mass of hydrogen. Plus 6 atoms of oxygen are there and the atomic mass of hydrogen is 16 atomic mass unit. Now we will simplify this. It would become now we will calculate the molecular mass of glucose. We know molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6 and we will find the molecular mass of glucose. How many atoms of carbon are there? Since we have 6 carbon atoms and the molecular mass of carbon is 12 atomic mass unit, right? Similarly, how many atoms of hydrogen are there? We have 12 atoms of hydrogen. Atomic mass of hydrogen usually taken is 1 atomic mass unit. Similarly, we have 6 hydrogen atoms and the atomic mass of 6 oxygen atoms and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16 atomic mass unit. Now we will simplify. 16 multiplied by 12 is equal to 72 plus 12 1 the 12 plus 16 multiplied by 6 is equal to 96. We will add all these quantities. When we add all these quantities, we get the answer, that is 180 atomic mass unit. 180 atomic mass unit is the molecular mass of glucose. I hope these examples are clear to you. Now we will see some questions in which we are asked to find molecular mass. The first question which is given is, determine the molecular mass of nitric acid. Nitric acid, the formula which is given here, HNO3. This is the molecular formula for nitric acid. Now we will calculate the molecular mass of nitric acid. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 atomic mass unit plus atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 atomic mass unit, and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16 atomic mass unit. 3 atoms of oxygen are there, so we write as 3 multiplied by 16. We simplified 1 plus 14 plus 48. Now if we calculate, add all the quantities, we get the answer, that is 63 atomic mass unit. 63 atomic mass unit. This is the molecular mass of nitric acid. I hope this is clear. Now we will see the next question which is given. In the next question, we are asked to determine the molecular mass of glucose. Molecular mass of glucose, that is C6H12O6. Again we will write C6H12O6. 6 carbon atoms are given, right? Atomic mass of carbon is 12 atomic mass unit, plus 12 hydrogen atoms are given. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 atomic mass unit, and 6 atoms of oxygen are given. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16 atomic mass unit. Now we will simplify this. 12 multiplied by 6 is equal to 72, plus 12 plus 16 multiplied by 6 is equal to 96. If we add all these quantities, we get the answer, that is 180 atomic mass unit. This is the molecular mass of glucose. 180 atomic mass unit is the molecular mass of glucose. I hope this is clear. Now we will see the next question which is given. The next question is, determine the molecular mass of naphthalene. Naphthalene, the compound which is given, has the molecular formula C10H8. So we write the molecular formula C10H8, and we are asked to find its molecular mass. How many atoms of carbon are here? We have 10 carbon atoms. Atomic mass of carbon is 12 atomic mass unit, plus 8 hydrogen atoms. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 atomic mass unit. Now we add all these atoms, we get the answer 120 plus 8. It would be 128. So the molecular mass of naphthalene is 128 atomic mass unit. I hope this is clear. Now we will see what next question is given.